Hello dear student, I am Rajwan Singh and today I am going to teach you active and passive voice. Dear student, in the previous video I have taught you how to change in passive voice of the some tenses present indefinite and present continuous in the previous videos. So today I am going to teach you the exchanging rule of present perfect tense. So let's start. Dear student, according to tense, in present perfect tense, we use have and has. We use have for singular subject and have for plural subject and the third form of the verb. And present perfect tense is in present perfect tense the third form of the verb is already used. So this is easy for us to change in passive voice. Ram has eaten the food. Ram has eaten the food. This is the sentence of present perfect tense and this is the singular subject, so we use has. And first of all, we change these sentences into negative, interrogative negative, and with the help of WH word, interrogative and interrogative negative. And after that, we will change in two passive voice. See this. Ram has eaten the food. Affirmative. Ram has not eaten the food. Negative. Has Ram eaten the food? Interrogative one. Has Ram not eaten the food? Interrogative one. These sentences are interrogative and with the help of WH word we make this. Why has Ram eaten the food? Interrogative mark. And why has Ram not eaten the food? These are 6 sentences and we will change the sentences into passive voice one by one. See this. Ram has eaten the food. Ram has not eaten the food. Has Ram eaten the food? Has Ram not eaten the food? Why has Ram eaten the food? And why has Ram not eaten the food? Now see the rule of changing in passive voice. First of all, we write the object as a subject and after that we use for singular has been and for plural had been. After that the third form of the verb, and after that we add the subject by through by. See this, the food. This is object, the food, and this is singular. So we use has been. The food has been, and the third form of the verb. But here already third form is used, eaten. So we write this: the food has been eaten by Ram. This is the passive voice. The food has been eaten by Ram. Now we will change this sentence into negative, interrogative, negative, and with the help of WH word, interrogative and interrogative negative. See this. The food has not been eaten by Ram. This is negative. And interrogative, has the food been eaten by Ram? Interrogative. This is interrogative. And interrogative negative. Has the food not been eaten by Ram? Interrogative. When we made this by WH word, then we add here WH. Why and why? Why has the food been eaten by Ram, and why has the food not been eaten by Ram? These are the passive sentences. Of active sentence, Ram has eaten the food, and this is based on the singular subject. Now we will change the plural sentences. See. He has eaten the tomatoes. He has eaten the tomatoes. Now we will change this into passive voice. The tomato object. The tomatoes. Tomatoes. This is in plural form, so we use have. The tomatoes have been, and the third form of the verb, eaten. The tomatoes have been eaten by, and the adjective case of him. The tomatoes have been eaten by him. Now we will change this into negative, interrogative, negative, and etc. See this. The tomatoes have not been and interrogative. Have the tomatoes been eaten by him? Question mark. This is interrogative and interrogative negative. Have the tomatoes not been eaten by him? Interrogative one. And if we change this with the help of WH word, then we add WH word. Why and why? Why have the tomatoes been eaten by him? And why have the tomatoes not been eaten by him? These are the sentences in passive voice. So dear student, by these rules we can change the active sentences into passive sentences, into passive voice. And remember, always we learn the rules that first of all we make the object as subject. After that we use helping verb has or have been. After that the third form of the verb, and after that we put the subject by adding through by. And this is the rule. By these rules we can change any sentence into passive voice, and we can make passive voices from the active sentences. So dear student, these sentences are of the present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. If we talk about present perfect continuous tense, then in present perfect continuous tense, BEEN been is already used, so we cannot make the passive voice of present perfect continuous tense. So dear student, after this tense we will change the sentence of simple past or past indefinite tense in the next video. So dear student, this is enough for today. Revise these sentences, see these sentences, and try to make some exercises, and try to change it into passive voice on the basis of these sentences and on the basis of these rules. So dear student, I am writing here some examples that you have to change in passive voice at your home by seeing this video. See. These sentences are for your practice. You have to do at your home. She has sung a song, and the second, I have cart was thieved. This is singular object and this is plural object. When you make the changes, then you have to change this. This is only for your practice. So I think this is clear to all the students. So revise this tense, revise these rules for changing in passive voice. Thank you. Have a nice day.